Okay, guys, so we'll be looking at the majors real quick. So on Sunday, I said I was looking to see some type of rejection off this 4 hour order block and this retracement. And I mentioned how I would look for sells once I see a confirmation. And what happened was price was just consolidating. There was really no sell setups. So I did not take any sells. And then during Asian session, I believe, price or the next London session, price just came up, and I believe it came to target this fair value gap. And now we can see we are at a breaker block and a 4 hour order block level. But what I like more is GU, because GU, as we can see here, there's a high right here and there's a low right here, and we can see this as a pretty clean retracement back to this daily order block and to this 79 level. So I mean, last week I was caught in the retracement and I was looking for sells, so I did not end in a profitable week last week just because I was caught in the retracement. But if we can start to see a rejection off this level and continue on, then we can start to have a profitable week and continue passing these challenges. So what I'm looking at is for tomorrow New York session is for price to be somewhere around this level, somewhere indicating that price did reject off this daily order block and at this retracement level, and that we can see a rejection towards the downside. So once I receive that confirmation, tomorrow New York kill zone area, I'll be looking for sells, and I saw this fair value gap in here, so possibly we can come down to this fair value gap. But as of right now, I'm really liking this on the daily time frame. This could be the retracement to the downside, continuing the downside, because look, we are still bearish after all. Price, look how bearish we are. And now once we do break this high, then I would start thinking, okay, something is up, we might be bullish now. But as of right now, this is a clean retracement. In my eyes, this is a really clean retracement. And on the DXY, we can see this order block, this daily order block right here. We can see this as a support level, and price came to fill in this fair value gap on the weekly. We see a weekly order block. Daily, we can see this as support. So if price does reject and we receive that confirmation, then we can start continuing the sell and start profiting and end the week in profits. But for now, this is what I'm expecting. Like I mentioned before, as traders, our goal is not to predict the future, but to react to levels and profit off that. So that will be all for this video. Just a quick video on what I'm looking at. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow on Discord, and I'll notify you guys on what I'm looking at for New York. But as of right now, nice retracement back to this area. EU, I guess this can be some type of breaker block, but I feel more confident on GU being at a nice level to sell. So that'll be all. This is what I'm looking at for today. We do have this fair value gap in here, so like I said, we are looking for some type of confirmation that we are rejecting off this level, or else price can come down to this fair value gap down here. If price does not reject, if tomorrow during New York Hill Zone we're not around like this area up here and there's no indication of rejection, then then I wouldn't look for sells on EU or GU. I would just wait for price to fill in this fair value gap and see what it wants to do. So we should be wary of this fair value gap in here too. But personally, I think that we can see some type of rejection off this level just because of how GU is at a clean retracement level. So that's all for today. I'll catch you guys on another day.